Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. The widget of today is going to be a list view, and by extension I am also going over the list view builder as well. Let's get started. So I am in my main function, run app, my app, and a stateless widget and returning a material app. Set home as homepage. Import a package for my homepage.dart file, and here I have got a blank scaffold with nothing inside. So in there, let's put in a column which already covered in the last video. I am just showing you a problem that you will run into when you use columns and rows. Width and height and color of gray. Let's restart. Now we can easily see a container widget of color gray. So let's wrap with a padding widget. Nice. Now in column we have multiple widgets inside, right? Now the problem is that you will face when the column becomes full, you are going to have this overflow error. Now a list view came into the game. List view is a scrollable list of widgets allow you to create a scrollable list of children widgets. I hope that you will understand. Now you can see the error has solved and simply this list view converts our container widget is in. Now let's make our code cleaner. So let's make a new file of utils.dart and import a package for my file, a stateless widget, and returning a class. And there is a blank scaffold. Now copy this code and paste it over here in utils.dart file. Let's remove this code and paste a utils file over here. And now copy this and paste it over here about 6 to 7 times. So this makes our code much more cleaner and readable, and we also encapsulate our code in a spread file and only return a utils file in a list view. Let's remove this code. So listview.builder is often used when dealing with a large number of items because it creates the digit dynamically. So listview.builder needs a item builder function, and this function requires two arguments, bold context, a context, and int index. Now let's restart the app. So we cannot see anything in our screen, right? Because we cannot return any widget, and an error goes up, and this error shows this function has a nullable return type of widget. So this error means that we have to return any of a widget, any kind of widget, or any class name. So let's paste a util and import a package. Now that's great. We can also use item count parameter, and this parameter determines the number of widgets. So let's set it to 4 and restart the app. So that's great. So we simply make a list of container with the help of listview.builder of context and index, and then return a utils file class name. This is the most basic tutorial for listview.builder. Now always remind one thing that listview.builder mandatory use of item builder of context index, and you have to must return a value like any widget or instance or a class. I hope that you will like this tutorial. So that is for this video. I will catch you in the next one.